Hello.
Hello, you can hear me?
你好，老师。
Now we begin to color, okay? Please be ready. Scan the QR code. Quickly, I will show it for you. Now, play. Why it's not working? Please show me your result. Why does it fail? Please send a picture to me. Why? Should we tell the girl why? Uh, 侯赛哲与 you should you have done? It's working now, okay?
No, Lause, please wait 1 minute. Lause, please.
Are you okay? It's okay.
It's done, Lause, it's done.
It's done. I can close this QR code. QR code is done. Then close it, okay?
Okay, Lause.
Wait, mates, wait. Wait a sec, please.
伊利，220，220
Assistant, wait.
，220 is not here, right?
I'm here, miss. I'm
120
here. I'm here.
Why?
It's
Why you can't?
220.
Why don't you scan
I
the
doesn't
code?
want to scan. It doesn't want to scan, miss.
What?
It doesn't work for me.
I don't know why. Give you another chance. Why it does not work for you? Please scan it.
I don't know. I don't know why.
You should know how to scan it, okay? Your 218哦1218 right 伊利120 1220 why you can scan the code it has bad night I don't 1210 1210 1204 6212
Sinon, moi, les peines,
6208
Vengeance out. Donc, c'est pour le.
okay
I'm here. You mark me absent.
Pour le 3-8,
Please
why
mark
Benani,
me.
t'as confirmé.
Hamim MD Noor.
this
Yeah,
one
yes. G. Yes.
why do you scan the QR code
QR code isn't working. That's why.
why
I don't know.
please show me the picture
Uh, just
okay I'll give you another chance please scan this code
just a minute.
I don't believe it because almost every student can scan this QR code. You have 2 minutes. Okay, you have 2 minutes.
Miss, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I have scanned the code successfully. Can you check?
Not what?
I scanned the code. It works. Can you check for me?
No, you should know how to scan this QR code, okay?
I have scanned it. It works. Can you just check if I am present?
Why does it work? You show your picture to me. Let
He
me
said
see
that
why.
it's work.
Because we will
It
fix
is
it.
working.
We will fix it.
It works. It works. I said it works.
Doesn't work.
It works.
Yes. Can you check,
Yes.
please?
Let me see.
It's 220. Okay. I've marked.
This
No.
is your.
Alright. Yes, that's me. It works.
But this is you. Oh no.
Yes.
This is you. But why
Yes.
is absent?
But I have scanned the code. It works. I've
It
submitted.
works.
Teacher,
You can
Yes.
send the picture
I
to me.
scanned.
Okay,
Please
I'll
send
send
the
you the
picture
picture.
to our written group.
Okay.
Teacher, I scanned QR code, but the QR code isn't working. I don't know why it can't working.
À 6h du matin, c'est annulé. Ah oui.
This one, 1204.
Yes.
You
And
have sent. You have scanned the QR code.
yes,
Alors,
but
ah non, attends,
it doesn't work.
أنا I had all my interviews with Rani. Anyway, أنا أول شوية شو شيء ما تكون
Teacher,
ندير un petit coaching juste relativement concerne les cartes de crédit qui sont incorrectes, bien invalides. Ok, donc tu arrives à voir mon écran? Ok. Ok. Alors on dit
Here, you search. Your ID is 120. 120. Please send your ID to me. Okay, these two students you have sent
Miss, I sent you the screenshot in the WeChat group.
you send the picture, but I don't know your ID. Your ID, the first, you just have your name, but it's not ID.
أنا قريت لك شنو فيه دابا لو كا le client il a une carte de crédit qui est invalide.
حطيت أنا هيك.
Aléatoirement. Donc je l'ai piqué d'une manière qui était aléatoire juste pour trouver des opportunités coaching. D'accord?
Now we will
Tout va bien.
see our class, okay?
Can you
Par
mute
exemple,
Wissal,
des
please?
pickings aléatoirement qui ont été faits. Juste
piquer
pour
l'habs.
voilà, des opportunités.
Okay, mute.
Alors,
Which one?
non, je comprends tout à fait que l'email du client n'était pas assez clair pour que tu puisses comprendre. Comme quoi sa demande c'était
Yes.
صابت واش حيدت لي الغياب ياك.
ما اعرفش، غالبا.
حيداش وحيداش.
صافي حفظها.
That's me. 120。Okay, we begin our class. Last time we have learned the exponential fraction. I hope you know this exponential function. I hope you know this EA over EB, is equal to the properties EA minus B, and EA times EB is equal to EA plus B. Okay, and last time we have also learned what? What? Why you tell what? Turn on. You comment. I don't understand. Maybe you can spell it for me. I don't understand. Oh, you write it for me. Maybe you can write.视频. Okay, you want to close the video, right? You say you want me. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Okay. Now, looking good. Okay, I forgot to turn off this video. Last time, and remember we have learned exam 1 and exam 2, right? And also example 4 and 5 and 6, we also explained there, right? I hope you understand it. Now, example 7. Example 7. Here. Example 7. Here, this is 7. Is 6e1 over x. X squared. 6e1. This is number 7. Please have a try. Okay. Let me see. Oh. No. Let's see. We use, here I will explain it. Okay. We will use two methods to solve this. Method 1, we use substitution. Here, we can know this. EU, DU is equal to EU plus C. Right? No matter this is U or X or other variable. So, but here this is the E1 over X. So by substitution, we let U is 1 over X. Right? U is 1 over X. And du is equal to negative 1 over x squared dx. Du. Du, if you don't know how to find du, you just know du is 1 over x from dx. It's equal to x power is negative 1 from dx. By the power law is equal to negative x negative 2 dx. This one, so we write negative 1 over x squared dx. Right? Dx. Then we find here this is 6e power u. This is 1 over x. From this 1 over x squared is equal to du. So 1 over x squared dx is equal to du. So it's equal to negative 1, right? This is du. So it's equal to negative 6 EU plus C, right? U plus C. And then we replace U by negative 6E 1 over X plus C. 1 over X plus C. Here, this is right. Method 1. And method 2, if you are familiar with du is equal to negative x power negative 2 dx. So we just write this 6e 1 over x. We can write this is 1 over x squared dx. And we combine 1 over x squared dx together. So we get this is equal to 6e 1 over x d. This is 1 over x. But they are not equal because d, the 1 over x is equal to negative. And here this is 1 over x, 1 over x. They are the same. We can use this formula. It's equal to negative 6e 1 over x plus c. The first one, you can use substitution to calculate step by step. And method 2, this is maybe you should know you are very familiar with the differential, so you can do like this. Any questions? No, continue. No. Now we continue to learn the general exponential and logarithmic functions. Then we learned the exponential function. This is the ex, right? Ex. So we can define evx is a rational number. It's e the square root of 2. This is pi and r all other irrational powers of E in the previous section. But what about here? This is not E. Number 2, the square root of 2. Or 3, the square root of 2. This is not number E. Or pi power pi. And similar irrational powers of other numbers. In fact, we want to give meaning to ax for a greater than 0 and x any real number. Now, if we write the power r is p over q is a rational number, then we have this r is equal to r is p over q. And when a here 1 over q, we can write is equal to a here the q's root, right? The q's root, but we write this is p times 1 over q is equal to, so we write is equal to a 1 over q, the power is p, right? The power is p. So we write is equal to a, the q's root, and power is p. And but we also know that exponential and ln they are inverse functions, right? So we have exp ln ar is equal to ar, right? This inverse, because they are inverse functions. And we can also write by the properties of the ln function, this one. We can write exp, this is r times ln a, right? R times ln a. And then we get is equal to, exp, we learned er is equal to exponential r. So we write this exponential is er ln a, er ln a. And this means we have give the definition of AR is just equal to ER ln A. AR is equal to ER ln A. ER ln A. For A is positive and any real number x, this R is irrational or rational numbers. We have the general exponential, the definition of general exponential function. We have the definition A, the power x is equal to EX ln A. EX ln A. And of course, this definition will be appropriate only if the usual properties of exponents are valid for it. And we use it to calculate 3 square. 3 square, this means we write here A is 3 and X is 2. By this definition, 3 square is equal to, here is AX is equal to EX is 2, ln A is 3, ln 3. And we can calculate it, ln 3 is about 1.0986 times 2. So it's about 9. This means this definition is meaningful. This is. So we get the general exponential function, just the AX is equal to EX ln A. EX ln A. EX ln A. So we have, if we write AX is EX ln A, this is the definition of the general exponential function, and both sides we have ln. So we have ln AX is equal to ln EX ln A, right? Ln AX is ln A. And by the definition of by the properties of the natural logarithm function, we have Now, ln A R is equal to R ln A. Here, this power, we write that this power is X ln A. This power is X ln A. So it's equal to X ln A ln E. Right? And wavelength ln E is 1. So it's equal to ln X times ln A. X times ln A. And we have this is the exact property for the and we also give the properties of AX. Theorem A summarizes the familiar properties of exponents, which can all be proved now in a completely rigorous manner. Theorem B shows how to differentiate and integrate AX. First, we learn the properties of exponents. If A is greater than 0, B is positive, X and Y are real numbers. Just like we have the same properties with the exponential function, where EXY is equal to EX plus 1. So E is replaced by A. We have AX, AY is equal to AX, the power is X plus Y. And also AX over AY is equal to A power is X minus Y. And also AXY is equal to AX, the power is XY. And AB, then power X is, we first calculate AX and times BX. And the last one is A over B. This is X is equal to AX over BX. AX over BX. Do you learn this before? Do you know this before? Huh? No? Okay. What? One what? One alarm. One what? What? I don't understand. You think what? Oh, you just forget it. You thought one word. You say Chinese. Okay. But now you remember it, right? Because we got to review this. And now we will give the differentiate the general exponent functions. We have the first. We have dx. We have dx, we find the derivative dx, the power x, dx ax. We know by the definition of the ax is equal to e x ln a, ex ln a, and we can use the scalar is equal to e x ln a times x ln a prime. So it's equal to ln a times e x ln a. Is equal to e x ln a is equal to ax ln a. You know this before? But I put it for you. You know it before? So, okay. And from this, if we find the indefinite graph, so it's equal to 1 over ln a ax plus c. If you know this, maybe I will give you another one. You calculate this. Example 1. Not this one. dx okay, please try to find this one. Dx 3x. Three cover 6. Yeah, I think you are right. Yes. Okay. Explain this. You know? Let me see. Because when I explain it, you know how to say it. No, but I think this is wrong. Here, you can use the gender, write U is size, right? U is size. So we have this D, we can write it as DU 3U times DX size. And the gender so is equal to 3U equivalent to AU divided to ln 3 times dx size is cosine. And then we replace u by size. It's ln 3 times cosine. Okay, times cosine. Here, this is the final answer. Let's see Lily's. Okay, congratulations. Have a break. Have a short break, and we will scan the QR code for a second time later. Okay? Now. for a second time. I hope you know. Hello?
Hello, Laoshi.
Hey. Okay, this can QR code. Quickly. Finish? Okay. Quickly. Okay. Quickly.
It's done, Laoshi.
Okay. Quickly. Okay. Finish. Okay. 伊利 absent 小贝彻this one 6207 absent 220 you are not here 220 this one absent 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 okay Okay. Example 2, find the dy over dx. If example 2 is 1. Y is equal to x4 plus 2 5 plus 5 x4 plus 2. Yeah, it's right. D1, please. We find D1 over dx quickly. D1 over dx is the same with D1 over dx. Why? Why it does not work for you? Only you. You can send your picture to me, okay? Send your picture to me. Why does it work?
I didn't take a screenshot.
What?
I didn't take a screenshot.
Send your picture to me. Why does it work? Doesn't it work? And I will find someone to fix it. Fix your problem. Okay? You should send your picture to me. Why doesn't it work?
Okay, I'll try to contact the supervisor, but can you please mark me present?
Okay, if you finish, please send your picture to me. You don't know. I don't know. You yourself don't know. But send your picture to me.
Miss, I didn't take a screenshot.
You didn't take a picture?
Yes, I didn't.
No, not just the send the results, the scanning result to me.
The picture of the scanning, the message that they told me.
Yeah.
But I told you I haven't taken it.
No, I don't think so. If you scan the QR code, you will have the picture.
Yo, I scanned it in my computer.
You scan it by your computer?
Yeah, the QR code was in my computer and I scanned it by my phone.
So show that in your phone to me.
What?
If you scan the QR code, we will have a deduct on your phone. Please show it for me. Why does it work?
I don't think so. My phone has recorded.
Do you know how to scan the QR code?
Can you give me a moment? I'll try to scan it again. Okay, it does work. I scanned it.
Okay, yes, this is right. Okay, we explain the first one. This is we find the dy over dx is equal to 5. Here we see this is a power function, right? This is the power function. 5x4 plus 2. The power here is 4 times by the Chandler times 4x cubed, right? 4x cubed plus, and here this one, this is a general exponential fraction. We just have ax prime is equal to ax log a. Here a is 5, x is x4 plus 2 is equal to 5x4 plus 2 log 5 times by the Chandler x4 plus 2, right? And then we have this 20x cubed x4 plus 2 power 4 plus 5x4 plus 2 log 5 times 4x cubed. So this is the final result. Any questions for this one? This one? 4x cubed. Why is 4x cubed? This is x4 plus 2, 5. We can decompose it. U is x4 plus 2. Y is u power 5. Right? And we have dx x4 plus 2, 5 is equal to this, by the Chandler, this is du u5 times dx x4 plus 2, right? So it's equal to 5u4 times 4x cubed. And here u we write is x4. x4 plus 2 times 4x cubed is equal to 20x cubed x4 plus 2. This one. This is y is for Tesla from the dx. This one. Huh? Gone. This fur. Oh, that's the fur. Yeah. Hmm? What? Um, uh, just use this one. This is a general exponential function. Huh? Why what? They're the same, not different. Oh, they're the same. This is the first. They're the same. That's like this for you. They're the same. Which one is different from? You see, this one is different from this one. Because this is a general here. This is A. This is 5. A. This is an absolute constant. Right? You can use substitution to calculate it. Because the method 1 use the substitution. Method 2, if you are familiar with it, you can catch the answer directly. Okay? This means not every time you must use the substitution. Okay? And here, exam 2. X squared di. Like this. Do you think about it? Find this indefinite group. Let's see. U is cheese x cubed, dt is 3x squared dx. dt over 3 is x squared dx. So 2x cubed u x squared dx is equal to this one. This is right. Yeah. Good enough for today. Okay. You can use the substitution, and you can also get like this. The 2x cubed is dx cubed. This is dx cubed is, you should know this one. dx cubed is equal to 3x squared dx. So we write about here the coefficient is 1, so it's equal to 1 over 3. 2x cubed dx cubed, so it's equal to 1 over 3 here by this one. Ax dx here, just a is 2. This is x should be the same. We have is ax over ln a plus c. So it's equal to 2x cubed over ln 2 plus c. Why is 1 over 3? Oh, this is 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Because here, from this, we have 1 over 3 dx cubed is equal to x squared dx. Here, this is x squared dx. So it's 1 over 3 dx cubed. Okay, if you are not familiar with this method, we have method 2 by the substitution. We just let the same, let x, u is x cubed, and du is equal to 3x squared dx, right? du. And so from this, 2x cubed x squared dx is equal to 2u x squared dx. Here, from this, x squared dx is equal to 1 over 3 du. is equal to 1 over 3. 2u is equal to 2u ln 2 plus c. 1 over 3. 2u is x cubed. U is x cubed over ln 2 plus c. We see we just have the same result. Method 1 and method 2. What are you doing? What are you doing? Any questions for this one? X squared dx. This one? This is just our question. 2x squared dx. It's just the copy it here. Okay. Okay, the function log a. Finally, we are ready to make a connection with the logarithms that you studied in algebra. We note that if a is between 0 and 1, the f(x) is ax is a decreasing function. If a is greater than 1, it's an increasing function, as you may check by considering the derivative. In either case, f has an inverse. We call this inverse the logarithmic function to the base a. Yeah, this is the logarithmic function to the base a. That's equivalent to the following definition. Well, a be a positive number different from 1, then we have equivalent to the natural logarithm function. This is y is log x. Natural logarithm function y is log x. Now we will learn the general of the logarithmic function to the base a. This means here the base is a. Log a x. We write this. Y is log the base is a. If and only if x is a1. X is a1. Historically, the most commonly used base was the base 10. This means a is 10, and the resulting logarithms were called here. This is called common logarithms. But in calculus and all of advanced mathematics, the significant base is e. This means a is e. This means a significant base. That's right. We write a is e. We write this log a is e x, and we usually write this log x. Use log x. Log x. And the function ln, which we introduced in section 6.1, has turned out to be an ordinary logarithm, but to a rather special base e. So we have if y is log ax, we have so right x is a1, right? X is a1. Now, if x is a1, the power is 1. We take the natural logarithm of both sides. We have ln x is equal to ln a1, right? So by the properties of the natural logarithm function, this is y times ln a. Here, this ln x is y times ln a. We have y is equal to ln x over ln a. Ln x over ln a. And we know y is the logarithmic function to the base a. So it's equal to the ln x. This means the logarithmic function to the base a is equal to ln x over ln a. Ln x over ln a. So we can calculate log ax is equal to ln x over ln a. This is what we find. And if we write ln ax is equal to ln x over ln a, now we can find the dx ax is equal to dx ln x over ln a. The right is equal to 1 over ln a times dx ln x is equal to x times ln a over 1. 1 over 1. Right? X times ln a. So we get this one. dx log a x is equal to 1 over x times ln a. Ln a. And by this, we calculate if here is 10 and this is x4 plus 13. We can use the substitution. Here we know this is a, this is x, this is ax, this is 1 over x ln a. So we like to use x power 4 plus 13. This means y we can write is the base is 10. The base is 10 and this is u. And u is x4 plus 13. Right? x4 plus 13. By the general dxy we can write is du. Here, du. And du, the base is 10, u. Times dx x4 plus 13. And du, dx, here, if a is 10, now 10x, we write here, is equal to 1 over x ln a, ln 10. Right? So we can write this is equal to 1 over u ln 10 times 4x cubed. 4x cubed. And then we replace u by, here, replace u by x4 plus 13 times ln 10. Right? Times ln 10. So that's the result. Have a question for example? Okay. And now we should recognize we have three functions. They look like the same. The first one is AX. This is the general logarithmic function. And the second one is XA. Here is a constant. So this is the power function. And XX. This is a new function we haven't learned it before. Here we know this is x squared. For example, A is 2. A is 2. Y is x squared. Y is x squared. Here this is equal to y is 2x. And this one is y is xx. Okay, this one shouldn't confuse AX and exponential function with GX is XA. This is AX is exponential. AX is an exponential function, and XA is a power function. And we have learned exponential function is AX is equal to AX log A. And but the power function here, dx xa is a power function. So we know this is a x a minus 1, power a minus 1. And now we will learn this one, xx, dx, this one, dx is equal to, of course, it's not equal to this one or this one because they are different functions, right? They are different functions. And we will learn how to calculate xx. xx. And maybe we have two methods to calculate xx. This is dx xx. We want to find this one. And we have two methods to calculate one. First, we can write xx, this method 1. We can write this is equal to, and we can write this e x log x. This is equal to e log x x. We learned it before. We learned it. This is ax, and it's equal to e x log a. So it's the same. Xx, we write the e x log x. This one is copy. And then we find dx xx is equal to dx e x log x is equal to, we can use the channel, so it's equal to e x log x times dx x log x. So it's equal to e x log x times dx log x. The derivative of the first. So it's log x plus x times 1 over x. So we write is equal to here xx. This is the log x plus 1. Log x plus 1. See this? Just use channel again and again. Okay, this is method 1. And method 2, this is, if we like x is xx, okay, and we take the logarithmic function both sides, if we have log y is equal to log xx, right? Log xx. And by the properties of the log function, there is x log x. And we will use the implicit differentiation. This means we differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this means dx ln y is equal to dx ln x. And dx ln x by the product rule is equal to ln x plus 1. And the left side we can know this is 1 over y times y prime. Here y prime is equal to dxy is equal to 1 plus ln x. So we have this y prime is equal to y times 1 plus ln x, right? And y is equal to x. So it's 1 plus ln x. 1 plus ln x. You can see we have the same answer. I have a question for it. If no, I will give you 1, 2. No, I will omit 8. Is this right? Okay? It's 8. Now I will give you another one. You try to find 8. This one. Y is x sine x. And y is x sine. Find dy over dx. Hello, and we will scan the QR code for the second time, for the third time, okay, the last time. Hope you know before.
فين هو هاد الكوت صاحبي ولا الحبس؟ وكنا باغي نعسو. صابيت.
اما زاد دابا قالتيك بريك تمر البريك سميتو تسكاني.
بالتالي بقاو تصوروا الاخر، بقاو تصوروا الكيوار اللعيبه واللعاب واصل.
ترى تي ديزاكتيفا مورا 10 ثواني صح.
الله هذيك اللي حتى انا راه كندير علاش 10
لا
دقائق.
انا راه عطاني بلي راه سكانيتي انت، راه ما عطانيش انا
ياك
كاع ما خدم ليا، راه طلعت عليه
ويلي
والله الا طلعت عليه باش تحيد راه نعس انا.
انا ما شتيش هو تيكذب، ما عرفتش يكذب اصاحبي، كل مره تيقول سكان بدبي كريزي مان هادشي.
تقول لها راه مسكاني انايا في بيسي بتليفوني، تقول لي صيفط ليا سكرين شوت.
واش تقيد
ما عرفت نرجع انا للهيستوريك ديال السكان.
زيرو كامن سيرش. الله
باغي الناس انا عباد الله.
Hello. Oh, we will scan for a search time. Hello, for the search time.
Yes.
Quickly.
Okay, Losh.
Please be ready.
Scanning.
Okay, quickly.
Please zoom out the screen.
Can you zoom out the link, teacher?
Miss, we can't scan this.
You can scan this. Why?
Because it's not zoomed
Because
out.
yes.
Yeah, zoom it out a little.
Okay,
You can see the full picture.
Now it's good.
Okay. Okay, and we will close it. Why is remember we want to do our dx. What? Let me see. Lily's answer. Lily's answer. Fashimon's answer. Yes, you're right. Here, this is the right answer. This x is x sin x. We take the logarithmic both sides. Log y is sin log. Right? So this is derivative is 1 over y times dy over dx is sin x over x plus log x cos x, right? And so we have dy over dx is equal to x sin x times this one. This is right. Are you right? Okay. Yeah, you can take a picture. Please have a try for number 6 and exam 6 and exam 4. Exam 7. Here. Exam 6. Exam 6. Y is x squared plus 1 plus pi size. Example 7, y is
Also, we can't see your screen.
plus 1 size. You can't see the screen?
Yes, we can't. Now is good.
You could. Here, this is a pi. Okay, if you finished, you can send your answer to me. What are you laughing? What? Yeah. Which one is here? Okay, and I will give, you can. Do you know this? Do you know this? X squared plus 1 x. This is fraction. This is ln y sin x ln x squared plus 1. It's 1 over y dy over dx. Sin x x squared plus 1 2x plus ln x squared plus 1 cosine x. Right? What? Yeah, this is right. You just multiply by 1. Oh, this fraction, you forgot the blockade. This times this because this plus. Exactly. Which one? The second one, this one. This is, you use the product rule. This product rule, this side, you just calculate ln x squared plus 1. Use the Chandler. You can use the Chandler. This is 2x over x squared plus 1. Chandler, you let u is x squared plus 1. One by one. One step. One step. One step. Step by step. You let u is x squared plus 1. So this is ln u is x squared plus 1. So it's 1 over x squared plus 1 times 2x. Times 2x. Plus ln 1 plus x squared cosine x. It's cosine. Because sin x prime is equal to cosine x. Cosine x. So we have dy over dx just times 1. Just forget. Just forget. This is lucky. This is not the same. ln y. Ln y is equal to right here. Ln y is equal to pi ln y is equal to x squared plus 1 pi. X squared plus 1 pi plus pi sin x. So ln y is equal to pi times ln x squared plus 1 plus sin x ln pi, right? Ln together. And differential the left side is 1 over 1 dy over dx. dy over dx. 1 over 1 dy over dx is equal to pi over x squared plus 1 times 2x. You want to know why ln x squared plus 1 this time is equal to this one? This is ln x squared plus 1 ln u is x squared plus 1. Right? So the derivative of the alpha function, this is 1 over u. The 1 is x squared plus 1, and the derivative of the x squared plus 1 is 2x. Plus ln x squared plus 1, 0. Right, here use the product rule. And plus this ln pi, this is cos x. dy over dx is equal to this y times the right side. Right. Because u is x squared plus 1, you should replace u by x squared plus 1. Yeah. Pi, here, this is pi. Maybe we have some exercise. 28 have finished the 27 and the 28. This one and this one. 28, 29 and 30. If you finish the 3 of them, okay, you can go home. Twenty, 28, 29, 30. Okay. We end our class. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Which one? 6207. Okay, I only change this time. Okay, next time please quickly scan the QR code.